Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Monday, September 23rd, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines. Got a busy week ahead here. We kicked off tonight hosting another a meeting, an informational session on referendum. But if you missed tonight's meeting, don't worry. We've got more coming up. After tonight, the next hosted meeting will be at 6 p.m. on September 30th. They'll be at City on the Hill Church, 2924 Fish Hatchery Road. On October 9th, we'll be at 12 p.m. For a virtual meeting during the lunch hour. October 17th, we hit the road again at 6 p.m. We'll be at Fire Station number 3. That's 2950 South Saline Road. On October 21st, we'll be at 6 p.m. hosted at Four Winds Farm, 5735 Adams Road in Fitchburg. And then on October 28th at 6 p.m., we'll host another virtual session there. All these are being recorded and rebroadcasted online. We have the first virtual session that took place on September 18th. That's up online for you. And if you got any questions about the referendum, you can go to our referendum page on our website, fitchburgwi.gov. It's right on the homepage there, and you can click on it to find out more information. Mailers will be coming soon as well with more information about the upcoming referendum. Mayor's proposed budget is now available for viewing. The Mayor's proposed 2025 operating budget is now available on the website for viewing. To access the budget, go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov. It's right there on the homepage under the news section, and it shows her proposed operating budget. There will be budget presentations starting next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, that you can tune in for and hear from the different departments on the proposed budget. And then a public hearing will come up as well for the mayor's proposed budget shortly. Fitchburg Fire Rescue has their open house scheduled here during Fire Prevention Week, just a couple weeks out. It's time for the annual Fitchburg Fire Department Fire Rescue Open House. Mark your calendars on Saturday, October 12th. You can stop by Fire Station House number 2. This is a different location than it's been the prior years, so keep in mind on that. Between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. and join in on the fun. We'll also be right next to the Oak Banks Great Pumpkin Giveaway event that's going to be going on. So you can double the fun by going there and then stopping over at the fire station or fire station of the Great Oak Bank Pumpkin Giveaway. Nevertheless, they're by each other. We hope to see you out there. It's going to be awesome. Join the Fitchburg Police Department. If you're interested in serving as a police officer, we have a position for you. Step up to serve with the Fitchburg Police Officer. Apply by October 1st to be considered for our upcoming interview process. You can go to joinfbpd.com for more information, or our city's website, fitchburgwi.gov, and click on the careers tab there to join in. National Fall Prevention Week kicked off this week, and there's a couple events coming up on Tuesday, September 24th, the 24th and on the 26th. So we'll start with the 24th at 11 a.m. You can join in on an informational session presentation by Jeff Doslick, Deputy Chief of Fitchburg EMS, as he shares simple ways to make changes in your home to prevent falls. And then on Thursday, the 26th at 9 a.m., we encourage you to learn more techniques for good balance through Tai Chi. It's a free opportunity for you to work on your balance and self-care. That event is at 9 a.m. to noon at the Fitchburg Senior Center. And if you want to learn more about fall prevention, there's a lot of great resources out there. Safe Communities is leading the way there on some great fall prevention tips. And we'll be sharing an interview later this week right here on Talking Fitchburg. And this week is Stormwater Week, and a lot of great events happening. Some things already sold out, but two that I want to point out to you. On September 26th from 8 a.m. to noon, you can join the Smart Salting Workshop Equipment Open House for parking lots and sidewalks at the Madison Metro Sewerage District. It's free to attend. Registration is required, though. And then on September 29th at 5 p.m., Tales from the Planet Earth Wabisa Wetlands film screening. That'll be at the Leisure Family Heritage Center, which is also free but does have a registration piece. If you're interested in joining in and learning more about Stormwater Week, you certainly can check out the link that we share to our posts. We do that each and every time we share out this information through our Facebook page, but you got those two events. Other events were ticket events that kind of sold out already, so I'm like, well, at least we'll get you these ones in there. But take some time to review the stormwater information and understand more of the effects of stormwater and getting into the different waterways. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow.